Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to send media album to Telegram channel from Google Sheets. So here let's suppose that you have a Google Sheets where you are collecting some image or video URL. So now you want that whenever you will add the URL for an image or video in a new row in Google Sheets, you want to send it across in an album to your Telegram channel. Now to do this, you need to build an integration between these two applications, for which you can use Pabbly Connect. So here the trigger application will be Google Sheets and the action application will be Telegram. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will understand how to send media album to Telegram channel from Google Sheets. So here let's suppose that you have created a Google Sheets in which you are adding some photos or videos URLs. Now you want that whenever you are going to add multiple photos or videos URL in your Google Sheets, then automatically the photos or videos should be clubbed together as an album and it should be shared on your Telegram channel. Now this can be done by using an amazing automation and integration software that is Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I will sign in, but if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So here as an existing user, I'm signing in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. And now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. Here I've named it as send media album to Telegram channel from Google Sheets. And on my left hand side, these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Telegram. So here I will click on create. Now as I did that, I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So moving to my use case, that is to send media album to Telegram channel from Google Sheets. So here in my trigger window, I'm going to use Google Sheets as my trigger application, and here it is. Now after selecting my trigger application, I need to select the trigger event that will be new or updated spreadsheet row. This trigger will start working whenever a new spreadsheet row will be added or updated, so I'm selecting it. Now once I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event, here a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL will act as a bridge to connect your Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. So now I will take you to my Google Sheet. So over here, this is the sheet which I have created. And now I want to make a connection between this Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect. I will go to extensions, and in extensions, you should have this extension of Pabbly Connect webhooks. So if you don't have it, you can simply go to add-ons. And here you can search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. And here it is. So you can see that I have already installed this extension. So it says installed. You can also follow the same process to install this extension. Now I will simply close this. And over here, as I want to build a connection between this Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect, I will go to extensions, then I will go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then I will go to initial setup. So over here in initial setup, you can see that the selected sheet is sheet 1. So as in the spreadsheet, there is only one sheet, so that is already mentioned over here. So now moving to the webhook URL, I will go to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to copy the webhook URL. And now I'm going to paste the same webhook URL over here. Moving to trigger column, here I need to add a trigger column. So trigger column is the final data column on which the data is to be added. So the whole of that row will be sent to the webhook URL. So now over here, my trigger column will be D. So as over here in this Google Sheet, there are 4 columns and the final data column is of D. So here I'm going to mention the trigger column as D, and now I'm going to click on submit. So here as I've done that, you can see that the setup is configured successfully. Now I will simply close this. And now again I will go to extensions and go to Pabbly Connect webhooks. And over here, I'll click on send on event because now I want that whenever a new row will be added in this Google Sheet, then automatically the details of that row should be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on the send on event. And now here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded over here in this webhook response. So over here in this Google Sheet, I'm going to mention the details. I'm going to mention the title. I will mention the URL 1, URL 2 and the photo video. So as in this above row, you can see that I've added the title as group 1 and here are the URLs and these both are photos. So here also in the new row, I'm going to add the URL for 2 photos and going to add a title as well. So here you can see that I've added the details. Here's the title as group 2. And over here, I've added the 2 URLs of the cafe pictures from Google. And over here, you can see that in photo/video column, I've mentioned it as photo, photo because over here, these are 2 photos which I want to club in an album. So here, as I'm adding 2 photos, you can use multiple photos as well. Either if you want to add a video, so here you can change it as photo, video, so as per your requirement, you can do this. But as of now, I'm going with 2 photos. So over here, as I've added the data in a new row, so this data would have been captured by Pabbly Connect. So now I will take you to my Pabbly Connect account. So here I've received the response. Here is the URL 2. Here's the URL 1. Here is the trigger column which I've selected as D. The title was group 2, spreadsheet name, spreadsheet ID, sheet name along with the sheet ID, row index and the photo/video column. So here in Pabbly Connect, the details of the new row is successfully captured over here. So the first step of this automation is successfully done. Now whenever a new row will be added in Google Sheets, then automatically the details of that row will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now moving further, as I want to send media album to Telegram channel from Google Sheets. So as I've got the details of a new row over here in Pabbly Connect. So here in my action window, I'm going to search for Telegram bot. And here it is. Now I will select the action event as send an album. So here I'm selecting it. Now I need to establish a connection between Telegram and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. So now if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same or you can simply add a new connection. So to add a new connection, you need to enter your token. So read this instruction given below carefully as I will go to Telegram, then I need to go to bot father. And over there, then I need to send a message that will be /new bot. Then I need to provide a username to my bot and then I will receive a message from bot father containing the token. So now to do this, I will take you to my Telegram account and over here, I'm going to search for bot father and here it is. So over here, now I need to click on this restart bot button. And now as per the instructions given in Pabbly Connect, I need to send this /new bot message to create a new bot. So here I'm sending it. So once this is done, I need to give a name to my bot. So I'm giving the bot name as send photo and I will send it. So now I need to choose a username for my bot that will be send photo underscore bot and I will send this. So here as the username is already taken, so I will be creating a new username for my bot that will be send photos and videos underscore bot and I'm sending it. So here you can see that a new bot is created and I can find the bot by clicking on this link. So here this is the token which I need to mention in Pabbly Connect. So I'm copying it, going back to Pabbly Connect and here I'm going to paste it and now I will click on save. So here you can see that Telegram bot and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now I will go back to Telegram and over here in my conversations, I will add this bot. So now over here, I'm going to click on start. So here you can see that the bot is added to my conversations. So now here in Telegram, I want to create a new group where I want to send the photos or videos. So here I'm going to create a new group and over here, I will add the bot and here is the bot. And now I will go ahead. So now I will give the group name as new photos or videos group. And now here I'm going ahead with this. So here you can see that a new group has been created. So now to proceed further, I need to give the admin access to my bot. So the same process can be done through phone. So here you can see that I have made my bot as the admin. So now what I will do is I will take you back to Pabbly Connect. And over here, as I need to mention the chat ID, so here from Telegram, so this here is my chat ID and I'm going to copy it, going back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to paste it. Once this is done, now moving to line item media type. Here I need to provide media type as photo or video. So as I've mentioned, two photo URLs, so the format goes as photo, photo. So here from the response received from Google Sheets, I'm going to map it. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So here I have mapped the line item media type. Moving to the line item caption. So over here the caption will be group 2. So this is the title and I'm going to map it. Once this is done, the line item parse mode will be HTML. So over here I need to enter the media URL. So as I've got it from the response from Google Sheets. So here I have mapped the first photo URL. Now I'm going to map the second photo URL. So here I have mapped it. So here this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that, we map the information. So now as I've not added any video, so I'm going to leave these fields blank, and here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see that I have received a response and it is a positive response. Now I will take you to my Telegram channel, and here you can see that 2 images which I wanted to send in my Telegram channel is successfully sent. So now this automation and integration was a successful one. Now whenever a new row will be added in Google Sheets containing the image or video URL, then automatically it will be clubbed together and sent in a Telegram channel.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.